Hey guys, it's OLA here. Just taking off my shoes, laying in bed in my hotel room in Shanghai. So I decided to make a vlog of my Chinese workshop tour. And no, I'm not watching porn. That's just a welcome screen and the music sounds like porn almost, but no, I'm not watching porn. Not right now at least. Anyway, I decided to make this Chinese workshop thing a vlog because it might be interesting for you guys to know how it works basically and how I do it. So I'm at the Jumeirah Hotel in Shanghai right now, and yeah, it's my first day. I'm starting in Shanghai. There's an exhibition called Music China, which I will perform at, and this is my beautiful view. Yeah, it's almost like Fallout in a way. This is where I take a shit right there. This is where I shower, and yeah. Nice, awesome. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this little video of mine, and yeah, see you out there. Alright, so something that Washburn decided to do for this Chinese workshop tour is to make an exclusive Chinese Washburn Solar. So it looks like this. Yeah, it's the regular 160 Solar with a fixed bridge, and it's basically the standard 160 but with golden hardware, and it still has the plastic on here. Should probably remove that before I start playing it. And yeah, I think it looks really good. This is just for China right now. China, China, China. Come on, you piece of shit. There you go. Okay. Or there you go. Look at that. That's pretty slamming, I must say. Okay, good talk, Ola. Yeah. I'm not gonna show the front side because it has my address on it, and I don't want you guys to go visit me. That would be super awkward. I mean, why would you visit me? That's just weird. Okay? So I brought my Solar 17 ETC and a Solar 16 TBL TransBlue, basically. TBL, there's a lot of codes going on. So those are my main guitars for this workshop tour. I will be playing this golden one as well. And so I'm in Music China right now, and it's loud as fuck in here. And at the Parson booth, where they have a pretty cool looking wall there for me, which is totally surreal. I mean, it's weird. So I'm gonna play in like half an hour. I'm gonna play a set, so we'll see what happens, right? Morning, it's day 2 of Music China in Shanghai, and yesterday night I was out for a after party for a cocktail competition. It's kind of cool. Okay. So I had way too many drinks, and I usually don't drink, but I'm definitely hungover today, which sucks. It was a long time ago. But I ordered some room service, and I have my performance in 2 hours, so I better start eating. I just woke up, and yeah, got some nice Chinese burger here and some fries and some Coke. Right, okay. having some beer and dinner with my friends. A couple of really talented musicians from Hong Kong, and my good friend here from Italy, and my guy from Parsons. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very good.
Show me when you eat. No. My hotel is fucking badass. So it's Sunday in Shanghai, and the Music China exhibition has shit. Fucking hell. And if I'm fucking hell, okay. Come on, you piece of shit. Okay, good. Can I make my? Oh, there it is. Okay. So this is. I'm at my hotel room, and today is Sunday, and last day of the exhibition Music China was yesterday. So I'm having a day off today, and tomorrow I'm flying out for the first city on my workshop tour. So I'm currently, I think it's like 10 o'clock or something like that. I'm watching Tarzan, and I'm setting up and changing strings on my guitars. It's a good time to do that when I have a day off, and after that at 11 o'clock the nice people at Parsons Music will pick me up and bring me to central Shanghai, and we'll eat some lunch, and I'll get to see some sightseeing, which is awesome. And yeah, so when I'm here like doing nothing in my hotel room, I either watch movies, I play computer games just to like ease out and calm down, and yeah, so shit, what time is it? Don't know, because I'm filming with my phone and I can't check the time. I'm probably late for something, but so that's a US custom shop guitar. They put plastic on it, which is kind of cool. Guess they want people to touch it. So we're walking this really cool street in Shanghai. It's like an old street. And behind me is, you can see the tallest building in Shanghai, which is kind of cool. And apparently I'm the tallest guy here, and everyone looks at me in a weird way, which is awesome. I don't really care, but the good thing about being tall is that I can just see over every Chinese guy or girl here, which is good. So I can always see everywhere. And these are the ladies that are taking care of me. Look at that. Pretty big balls. Oh, look what I found. Apple Store. I'm home. Okay, so now we're up 474 meters up. This is, oh shit. It's almost like it pulls you down. This glass floor. Oh my god. Don't know if you can see, but there are guys there working at the ledge of that tower. So I'm just gonna film myself drinking this milk tea thing, which has is actually small rice balls in there. But the weirdest thing is, like, when you use the straw, the balls come into your mouth, and it's like really awkward. And really weird, and they're soft and almost like snot, you know. It's fucked up, but it's China. Oh. It's just old people dancing. good time. On our way to TIANJIN. It's raining. Yeah, so now we are in TIANJIN. We just arrived. We're still at the airport. And it's cold as fuck here, almost like back home in Sweden. I think it's 2 degrees Celsius. And yeah, we're going to eat some lunch, and then I have no idea. I think we're going to the store. And now they're outside there smoking, because that's what Chinese people do. And I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning. And I mean, it's always like that when I know that I'm gonna travel the next day. Even if I set the alarm clock to 6 o'clock, my body kind of knows that I'm gonna travel, so I wake up at 4 or something like that for no reason. So I'm super tired, can't sleep on planes either with the midget seats, but it's gonna be awesome. This is the first day of the workshop tour, so I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so now we're going to the music shop in Tianjin, and apparently this whole street is just music store after music store, which is kind of cool. Hi guys. So we're outside the music store, and look who's there. I recognize that guy. Nice. I'm gonna guess, but I think that this car is broken. Oh shit, okay. Alright, so we're currently done sound checking, and I'm performing in about 15 minutes or something like that. And they brought me food. And on my rider, if you're interested in that, I have Coke Zero. I'm not even sure this is Coke, but it's something black. And coffee, water, and just regular snacks. And they brought me Choco Puffy. And I have no idea what this is, but it seems to be some sort of whatever. Anyway, it's weird being in a place like this, because I mean, the venue is so big, and I mean, whenever I have a workshop, it's really hard to just knowing how many people will show up on a workshop. It's like, it's really, you never know. There have been a couple times where there has been like 200 people coming. There's been times where there have been 6 people coming. I mean, it's really, you never know. And the funny thing about this is like the size of this venue is like this. They can easily fill like 400 or 600 people in there, and that's never gonna happen. So even if there's 100 people down there, it will look like there's not many people in there. But you know, I was always kind of nervous about that before, but you know, it is what it is, basically. That's kind of how I look at it right now. But it's weird, because I think I get more nervous if there are 6 people in the audience rather than 100 people. Because if there's just less people, I mean, it gets so much more intimate. So this is the first date on my Chinese workshop tour. Let's hope it goes well. Okay, so now we're probably 20 minutes from showtime, and I'm getting a little nervous, I would say. Even if I don't get nervous anymore, but I think I'm kind of worried about the amount of people that are coming. I mean, this is the first time I do workshop things in China. I've been here with the Haunted in Beijing, but this is, yeah, I'm just a little bit nervous. Hello, how you doing? some young guy. The guy just came in and said it will be delayed half an hour. And I didn't understand what he said, but he said that there were a few people. So I think they're maybe waiting for more or something like that. We'll just see. So it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so now I'm back at the hotel. The workshop in Tianjin turned out pretty good. I think there were probably between 70 or 80 people. But of course, which is a good turnout, but in a room that fits 600 people, it looks not as impressive. But I mean, 80 people is definitely a lot of people for me. I mean, it's awesome. So I had a really good time here. I signed a bunch of Washburn Solars and also 2 Strictly 7 Solars, which is really awesome. I also signed a Washburn Dimebag plate guitar and probably like 15 different smartphones. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Hej då Malin. Okej, puss puss. Hej då. Hej då. Photo. My son.
Yeah.
Is big train fan.
Oh.
So apparently I have 1F in the front of the whole train. So if there's an accident, we die first. So we're on our way to go eat some lunch, and I was just told even this looks really narrow, this alley, and looks kind of poor, but this is like center Beijing, and it's actually really expensive to live here. Wow, just beautiful. Hola.
It's a gift for you.
Free.
Oh.
Hey, Ola. Say hello.
Hello. What's up? When we started to design the guitar, I had a very strict idea of what I wanted, right? I wanted a 6 and a 7 string guitar that's fun to play, it's easy, it's lightweight, and it's just like a really good.
Yeah.
Okay. I was not expecting that to happen. So I'm back at my hotel in Beijing, and the workshop went great. The people and the students there, they absolutely loved it. I really liked the fact that there were a couple of really cool guys that in the last two songs just stood up and headbanged in front of me while I was playing. It was kind of fun, and it never happened before. I've seen people headbanging in their chairs in Chile and stuff like that. So it's nice to see. I mean, the Chinese people are really passionate about metal, and they're not afraid to show their feelings, and it's nice. It's nice, for sure. It's something I really appreciate. And now I'm really, really tired, even if it's only 9 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow I'll be in HANGZHOU. Can you eat? Can you eat in Beijing? You eat?
Go.
Boom.
Okay.
Very big red star.
它这是工厂和
要不要合照？要合照。
So right now I'm in Nanchang. I didn't get to film a lot yesterday because the day was just so hectic. We eventually showed up at the venue, and it was a pretty nice venue, but only 10 people came to watch the workshop, which is kind of a drag in a town that has a population of about 20 million. And there was some people, one guy afterwards saying that the metal community in Hangzhou is so small, and yeah, but I mean it's always feels weird when you're even like really awkward when playing in front of 10 people rather than playing for 200 people. That was the day before Hangzhou in Beijing, and it's just weird, a weird feeling. And of course I just want the dealer or the store in Hangzhou to be happy. And even though, I mean, it's maybe not entirely my fault that I'm not big enough, but I mean, it's also a promotion thing here in China. I mean, I'm not sure if they promoted the workshop enough or whatever. But anyway, I mean, it kind of sucks, but I was still happy, and I mean, hopefully the people that were there and watched me were happy, and I had a really good time anyway. So today we're in Nanchang, which is another, I mean, when they say like, yeah, we're going to a small city, that's what they told me about Nanchang, but I mean, it's still like 10 or 15 million people, which in my book is still a big city. And yeah, I'm currently, I just took a shower, and yeah, we're heading out to lunch. But and they told me this is like, yeah, this is a very good, relaxing hotel. And by the bedside, you can find this. Pleasure without help, no upsurge of women to achieve climax. The original normal woman to reach the climax reached in a highlight of the above, a taste of the highest realm life. I have no idea what that means. Okay, what's this? The product can improve the feeling sexy for men and women since it vibrates. Oh, okay. Awesome. So yeah. Oh shit, I just don't want to know what that white thing is.
这个也快了，这辈子商品啊，还有那个 TS30那个康宝那个是没货了，你钱可以挂账，比如下次买英产什么都可以，都没关系。
觉得吧，有些你好价格有点什么。
是你的是吧？
So easy.
So easy?
Yes, parkour.
Oh.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Nan, order Nan. Thank you.
使用6元找不到这辆车。
Mr. Englund, how about mine?
Sure.
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
开车过来的。
I found this awesome new Apple product available in China. There we go. Good job, Apple. Look at this cute little glass. I like small glasses like this because it makes my dick look bigger. Nanning was definitely like a very big ego trip. A lot of people, probably like 200 or 250 people, and just really awesome mood going. I had a really good flow. I had a really good time, and I think the audience did as well. And it was just super awesome, and yeah, I'm very happy right now about that. It just goes to show, you know, you can, like a couple of days back when I was in HANGZHOU and there were 15 people coming, but here in Nanning, it's just super awesome. It's a city of 7 million, 6 or 7 million people, and yeah, it was just super awesome. People are loving it. People are just so happy, and so they really seem to enjoy everything, and I'm just really glad to be able to do this. I feel very fortunate to be able to do all this. I mean, it's not every day you can go out and perform by yourself and having people waiting for you, which is really weird. I'm definitely not used to that. So it's Very good for my ego. Of course, the shows where I play in front of 10 people is also very good for my ego because it keeps me out of the clouds, I would say. It gives me a good perspective of that I'm definitely not worth anything, or I'm just any other guy, really. So it's important to remember that. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm leaving for Hong Kong. I have a day off. Well, not a day off. I'm traveling the whole day almost to get to Hong Kong. And then on Monday, I'm doing my last workshop in Hong Kong before I fly home. And I'll be home for like 6 hours to meet my family. And then I go to Spain for 2 more workshops. But I'm going home, and yeah, right now I'm super tired, but super happy. And I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm probably gonna call and FaceTime my family so I can see my kids. I miss them a lot, and my wife. He's on my case there, man. No, he puts it upside down. Shit. This is Hong Kong. We're in Kowloon right now. We're heading to the hotel. Then I think we're going out for some sightseeing. Temple Street. Let's go. So we're on Temple Street, and they have like all different kinds of crap here, which is really awesome. I bought some pirated Lego called Lele for my son. Here you have some Bose speakers, and yeah, they are all real. Some polo shirts. It's amazing. Love this place. Oh shit, they really dig dildos here. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's 6 a.m. and there's the harbor. You can see a boat going through there. Yeah. And there's the gym. It's all the people that are running out there. It's gonna see my beautiful body swimming. Okay. So now we're on a ferry going from Hong Kong Island to Kowloon, which is where my hotel is and where all the fun is. Very beautiful. I mean me, I'm very beautiful. Go. Japanese restaurant. Let's go.
Yeah, I have this one.
What? It's living its own life.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
He's escaping. No. So this is pre-workshop noodle at a Japanese restaurant.
咁大家 ready 好未啊？好似爭少少喎，大家 ready 好未啊？我哋俾最大嘅掌聲，我哋邀請 OLA 好唔好 ？OLA Englund。
So I'm back at the hotel after a really long day of sightseeing in Hong Kong, and also workshop in Hong Kong, and it was really, really awesome. I have no idea how many people, but probably 100 or 150 people, and it was just super awesome. And the difference here between Hong Kong and mainland China is that here everyone understands English. So that means that I didn't have a translator. I could talk freely, which is for me a lot better. I get into a really good flow when talking, and it's becoming more of a workshop where I talk about social media and stuff like that, and it's hopefully very inspiring for the audience. At least the response was really, really good, and I had a really good time. I was super pumped that I was able to talk without a translator, and it was just really, really awesome, and the people seemed to really enjoy it. So I'm extremely happy. That was the last one of last workshop of my Chinese and Hong Kong run. It's been 2 weeks. I'm extremely exhausted, but very, very happy, and I'm just so overwhelmed by the response that I have gotten. And you know, the Parsons Music, which is the Washburn distributor in China and Hong Kong, has just been amazing. They've been taking care of me. They've been treating me like a king. They put me in fancy hotels, and I mean, they take their time to show me on my day off in Shanghai and Hong Kong. They've been taking me out for sightseeing, and you know, it's I really, really appreciate that, and they have just been super awesome. So thank you so much to everyone that has been with me, taking care of me this whole trip. They've been just super awesome. I'm so happy, and yeah, I really hope to come here next year for a Shanghai Music, and potentially also another workshop tour. And I'm also excited because tomorrow I'm going home and I get to meet my kids, and it's been a long 2.5 weeks. Ja, där var det vind. Så. So here's a contrast for you. This morning I was flying out from Hong Kong, and now it's afternoon in Sweden, and it looks like this. And I'm off to pick up both my kids, which I'm really looking forward to, but this. What the hell, man?
Hey, Johan!